Selling mini courses for specific problems is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise while delivering high-value content to your audience. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you exactly how to create and sell mini courses that tackle specific pain points, so you can start making money while helping people solve their problems. First off, you need to narrow down the problem you're solving. Think about the specific pain points your audience is facing, whether it's a marketing hurdle, a technical skill they need to learn, or something more personal like time management. The more focused you can be, the more likely you'll attract people who want to solve that exact problem. Once you've identified that problem, the next step is to create a course that is concise, actionable, and solution-oriented. Remember, mini courses work best when they are short and focused. Aim for a 15 to 30-minute course with clear steps or strategies your audience can implement immediately. This isn't about fluff, it's about delivering real value in a condensed format. To structure your mini course, break it down into bite-sized lessons. Each lesson should tackle one part of the solution. This makes it easier for your learners to digest the information and implement it step by step. Make sure the content is laser-focused on solving the specific problem, rather than providing general advice that doesn't directly help. Now, you need to position your course effectively. If you're using software for course creation, there are plenty of options out there, but not all of them are built for mini courses. I've tried most of the popular tools, and the one I'm recommending in the description below is the best for quickly setting up and selling courses. With the software we'll be using, you can easily upload your content, create a landing page, and sell directly from the platform. Plus, it integrates well with email marketing tools and payment processors, so you can automate a lot of the selling process. Next, pricing is key. Since you're selling a mini course, you want to keep the price affordable and in alignment with the problem it's solving. If it's something that will save your audience time, money, or a ton of frustration, you can price it slightly higher. But generally, a price range between $29 and $99 works well for mini courses. This is the sweet spot for what people are willing to pay for solving a specific problem in a short amount of time. When selling, focus on the transformation your mini course provides, not the features. Instead of talking about the course length or modules, emphasize how it will improve your audience's life or business. Use testimonials, case studies, or results to back up your claims. Social proof will give you credibility and convince your audience that your mini course is worth the investment. Now, to make sure people find your course, use effective marketing strategies. Leverage social media, your email list, or collaborations with influencers to promote it. Run ads if your budget allows, especially targeting people who have expressed interest in the problem you're solving. And don't forget to create a sense of urgency with limited time offers or bonuses for early signups. Lastly, to keep the momentum going, think about creating a series of mini courses that tackle related problems. This will not only increase your sales, but also help you build a loyal audience who will come back to you for more solutions. The key takeaway here is to focus on delivering specific, actionable solutions to a well-defined problem. By doing so, you create a course that your audience will see as invaluable. Remember, if you want to follow along and set up your own mini course, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we're using, link in the description. Quick recap: find a specific problem, create a focused, actionable mini course, price it right, market effectively, and use social proof to boost conversions. Now go ahead and start building that mini course that solves a problem people are eager to pay for.